Hey guys, welcome back to Purple Cotton Candy. My name is Fern Vanessa, back again with another video. And today I'll be doing my 9th squishy collection update, so without further ado, let's get started. The first squishy I have is this Chow Cream squishy, and it's this chocolate cake roll. And here is the packaging. Next I have this Rilakkuma squishy, and it's a cupcake. Next I have this lemon squishy. I have these 3 unlicensed squishies. The first one is an egg. The second one is a turtle. And the third one is an ice cream. I have this Rilakkuma ice cream. I have this Kiratori ice cream. I have this Kibru mangosteen. Here is the packaging for it. Next I have this Bear School head bun. I have this Bretto Swiss roll. I have this Stitch head bun. And here is the packaging for it. I have this Punimaru ice cream squishy. It comes with this packaging. Next I have this blue Care Bear squishy. I have this Lucio bagel squishy. I have this Bretto turtle. And here is the packaging that it comes with. I have this Choco Eclair. And here is the packaging that it comes with. Lastly, I have this Kibru bread squishy. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!